Peps was founded in the year 2005. Our mattress production was just 30 or 40 mattresses per day. And today, Peps has become India's top-selling spring mattress company with a production of 1,000 mattresses per day.
We have seen a significant growth in our sales compared to financial year 2013, which is 10 times higher.
And we wanted to have a software ERP system to handle our large-scale operations. We found that Ramco is a perfect fit to handle our business operations because they have the capability to make purpose-built ERP systems.
Ramco ERP provides control on inventory holding costs at 10% in spite of my revenue grows up by 10 times in the last decade.
We completely digitalized and automated our process starting from production, sale, delivery, and reverse logistics.
Ramco provides a unified platform to conduct, monitor, refine our business on real-time basis.
We found Ramco ERP was the only solution available that can help us to achieve what we need.
We have received tremendous bottom line benefits. For example, we have been able to reduce 90 man days of effort on a monthly basis.
And Ramco was flexible enough to support these methods.
Our operations have become world-class and extremely efficient with the help of Ramco ERP.